So a baby problem would be c to the ninth divided by c to the second. We subtract the exponents, and when you subtract the exponents, you always put the answer in the numerator. So 9 minus 2 would be 7 over a 1, which then you don't write the 1, so the answer is just c to the 7th. And as the problems get bigger, you'll see that putting it in the numerator be more meaningful than in this baby problem. Okay. If we have an example with coefficients, all that does is it adds the simplification of the fraction in front to the problem. So we're going to have to simplify the fraction, which we've been working on, and then subtract the exponent. 24/4 reduces to 6 over 1 if you divide by 4. Subtracting our exponents, 5 minus 1 is 4, and we put that answer on top, and then we don't need that entire bottom. Let's try again. In this case, like I said yesterday, negatives float, so that negative is going to eventually float to the top. We need to simplify that fraction and then subtract our exponents and put those answers in the numerator. 15 over negative 3. The 15 thirds itself simplifies to 5 over 1, and the negative floats. So that's how I simplify that. I kind of treat the negative as separate from the 15 thirds. I simplify 15 thirds, and then I float the negative myself. C's would be 5 minus 2, which is a 3 on top. D's would be a 3 minus 7, which would be a negative 4 on top. Always put the answer in the numerator. And then the D needs to move down because it's a negative exponent. So there's your answer. You try this one. The negative 6 over negative 18 will reduce to positive 1/3. My n's will become an n on top. My t's will become a negative 2 on top. I'm subtracting the exponents and putting the answer in the numerator. My t needs to move down because it's negative, leaving me an answer of n over 3t squared.